Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. A few of my subscribers have reached out saying, Carl, I really need something that's going to be a simple lunch or easy dinner using chicken. You don't really feature many chicken dishes on your channel, and I want something that's going to be quick and easy. So I'm going to show you how I marinate my chicken to make chicken cutlets that I use in a various amount of dishes. Let's get into it. So to make this chicken recipe, you're going to need the following simple ingredients. You're going to need some whole chicken breasts. Now I buy my chicken breasts whole like this, and I thin them out myself because it's a lot cheaper. I paid about $1.99 a pound for these chicken breasts, and I'm going to be able to get 6 to 7 really nice fillets out of it. If I go about it buying it already thin sliced, I'm going to pay about $4 to $5 a pound, and I just think this is way more economical. Now, you're also going to need 3 tablespoons of Epis spice blend. If you haven't been following me that long and you don't already have a nice batch of Epis in your fridge, here's the recipe on how to make the Epis spice blend. It's very simple, it keeps long, and it's used in a lot of my dishes. Very simple, very tasty marinade. And last but not least, some salt and pepper. Now let's get into how to prepare this. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my cutting board and a sharp knife, and I'm going to thin out these fillets. So I just lay it down flat, and I pick a spot on where I think it's going to be best. So about 1/4 inch to 1/3 of an inch down, and I just slice right on through and try to get a nice even cutlet. That's the full length of the breast. So yeah, one right there, and then what's remaining is about 2 more cutlets. So I'm going to go about halfway down and repeat the same. Just cut it straight across. Now when you get to the bottom cutlet, it's not so pretty. You got like that tenderloin and it's split in two. You got this ligament and fatty section. So I just trim this up to nicen it up a bit. Your second fillet is going to be nice as well. But what I like to do with this third ugly fillet is I like to make chicken strips. Sometimes they make really good chicken tenders. Or I just use this to dice up into my salads because it doesn't really matter how it looks, I already have it cubed up. So this is usually my salad cut. So now that I have my chicken all filleted out, it's time to get it seasoned. I'm going to grab my bowl and a spoon, and I'm just going to take my chicken breasts and just lay them out right in the bowl, maybe 3 at a time. Grab a teaspoon or so of the Epis. You just massage it right in. Then we'll grab the other breast, do the same. And the little bits, I'll just add the rest of the piece in and give this a nice massage on through. So I have my skillet heating up on medium heat with some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to grab 1 fillet and one of the tenderloin pieces, and I'm just going to salt and pepper these. Now since you're working with chicken, you're going to want to wash your hands between touching other items. You don't want to cross-contaminate things in your kitchen. Next thing you know, you're sick with salmonella. Just make sure you're cleaning your hands between touching your chicken and your kitchen items. Once I've set my chicken off to the side, I'm going to just salt and pepper. Now with the rest of this chicken, you can either store it in your fridge or put it in Ziploc bags for long-term storage in your freezer. So once the skillet starts to smoke, we know that the pan is high enough for us to start cooking. Now we're going to be cooking 2 fillets at a time because you don't want to crowd the skillet, because chicken when it's cooking gives off a lot of water. If you have too many pieces in there, it's going to start to boil the chicken and you're not going to get the right crusting or coating on your chicken fillets. So now I'm putting it salt and pepper side down first. Now you're going to want to cook each side for about 2 minutes. That doesn't allow your chicken to get overcooked in the top. It will be nice and tender and cooked through. And there you have it, your easy stovetop marinated grilled chicken. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 more dishes with this very chicken. It's going to be 2 lunches and 1 dinner, and that way you can have an easy go-to chicken dish whenever you want to whip something up quickly and that's sure to impress whoever you're cooking for. So if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscription button, like the video, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me at Hooking It Up. Take care.